If you are a small business owner, direct deposit is equally as convenient, allowing you to save time and resources by keeping your payroll processes all electronic. But how do you get your paperless pay stub when your check is deposited electronically? Stay tuned to find out. Pay stubs by mail. Some companies still send paper pay stubs out to employees. When payroll is deposited, the employer sends the pay stub to employees via mail. However, more and more employers are switching to electronic pay stubs to streamline their payroll processes. Paperless pay stubs. Employees can get a printed copy of their pay stub even if their pay is delivered via direct deposit. Most employers go with the paperless pay stub and do not send anything by mail. These employers have most likely retained the services of a third-party payroll service. Employees can create an online account with the payroll service to view and download their pay stub from the payroll website. Employees have access to their pay stubs and W-2 information at all times. Federal and state law. While the federal government does not require an employer to provide a paperless pay stub, it may be required in your state. Even if your state doesn't require it, employees have the right to request payroll records. The Fair Labor Standards Act requires employers to keep payroll records of employee wages and hours worked. Having a payroll service house, this information online satisfies all these requirements. E-stubs importance. Pay stubs are needed for a number of reasons, the most common being for tax purposes. You may also need them as proof of income when applying for a loan. Being able to access your paperless pay stub is more than a convenience when it comes to record keeping. Whether you keep your pay stubs for 5 years or 15, you have the option to download and store them electronically rather than in an old-fashioned bulky file cabinet. For business owners. Small business owners often do not have a dedicated payroll department. If you are a small business, you can still generate electronic pay stubs for your employees. There is software available to do this, or you can hire an accounting firm or payroll service provider to generate check stubs for your employees. If you are an employee, chances are you already know how to access and download your pay stubs. If you haven't downloaded any this year, consider doing so for tax purposes. If you're an employer and manually generating or mailing pay stubs for your employees, consider hiring a service to automate that process for you. Try our pay stub generator right away. You may also enjoy reading the payroll basics of paying employees electronically. And hey, thanks for watching. And remember to comment and subscribe to our channel. Also, visit our website at www.paystubcreator.net and create your own pay stubs today.